Welcome back to the channel where we talk about all things Salesforce and other tools. In this video, we're diving into the fundamentals of SOQL, the Salesforce Object Query Language. We'll walk through basic queries that every beginner should master. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refresh your skills, these queries are the building blocks of Salesforce SOQL. Let's dive in. Using the select statement, we can retrieve specific fields from an object. This helps us fetch relevant data for our objects. We will then use the from statement to select which object we want to reference. Now let's add a bit of filtering with the where clause. By adding the where clause, we can filter records based on specific conditions. This allows us to narrow down our results and retrieve only the data we need. First, let's look at the equals operator. The equals operator allows us to filter records where a field matches a specific value exactly. For example, on screen we are using the equals operator to filter our results to only show accounts where the industry equals technology. Next, let's explore the not equals operator. The not equals operator excludes records where a field matches a specific value. For example, we are using the not equals operator to display all opportunities not in stage closed lost. Now let's introduce the less than and greater than operators. These operators allow us to filter records based on numerical or date values. For example, this query retrieves the names and amounts of all opportunities where the amount is greater than $10,000. Finally, let's combine operators with logical conditions using AND and OR. These logical operators enable us to create complex conditions for filtering records. For example, this query retrieves the names and amounts of all opportunities that are in the closed won stage and have an amount greater than $5,000. Sometimes our data falls out of these operators, and that's where the like and wildcard operators come into play. By using the wildcard character with the like operator, we can perform partial matches on text fields. This is incredibly useful when searching for records containing a specific term within a larger string. Putting % before and after a search term allows you to match any sequence of characters that contains the specified search term. This is useful when you want to search for records where the specified field contains the given search term, regardless of its position within the field's value. You can also use the % before or after text, depending if you want to search for records where the field starts or ends in a term. For example, this query will return all opportunities where the stage name ends and begins in closed, so everything that is closed won or closed lost. Now let's move on to aggregate functions for data analysis. Aggregate functions like count, sum, avg, max, and min allow us to perform calculations on our data directly within our queries. This is essential for generating meaningful insights. For example, this query retrieves the total number of opportunities in our Salesforce org. The other functions operate similarly with one difference, where the count pair of parentheses with nothing between them, the others need a field to aggregate. For example, this query retrieves the average amount of all opportunities in our Salesforce org. And there you have it. A quick breakdown of SOQL, the Salesforce Object Query Language. By leveraging this in Salesforce Inspector, you'll be able to quickly dig into your data and never rely on clunky reports again. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and check out some other videos on the channel.